Ever catch yourself lying awake at 3 a.m., replaying that awkward thing you said 7 years ago? Or maybe you're paralyzed trying to pick lunch because what if you choose wrong? Yeah, your own brain is holding you hostage right now. But what if I told you the key to stopping this torture is simpler than making toast? Stick with me for 3 minutes. You might just get your brain back. Here's the brutal truth. Overthinking isn't thinking. It's fear wearing a thinking costume. It's your brain stuck on a hamster wheel, running fast but going absolutely nowhere. And it steals something precious. Presence. That feeling of being right here, right now. Not trapped in yesterday's regrets or tomorrow's what-ifs. This moment, this breath, this is the only thing you actually control. Not the past, not the future. Just this. Try it. Seriously, pause. Feel your feet on the floor. Hear the sounds around you. This is where your power is, not in replaying that meeting. So how do we ditch the mental baggage? Let go. Imagine carrying a huge, heavy, smelly backpack everywhere, filled with rocks labeled regrets, old grudges, what they think. It's exhausting. Some things are meant to stay behind. Picture yourself physically taking off that backpack. Dump out the rocks. Feel that lightness? That's not just relief. That's space. Space for better stuff to come in. You wouldn't let a stranger dump garbage in your living room, right? Stop letting your thoughts do it. Next, slow down. We're all sprinting, right? Scrolling fast, talking fast, rushing towards what? Often nowhere meaningful. Stop sprinting blindly. Start moving with purpose or don't move at all. It's like driving in heavy traffic. Sometimes crawling slowly with the flow gets you there faster and calmer than constant lane switching and stressing. Take 5 minutes not doing anything. Just be. It's not lazy, it's strategic recharging, and way cheaper than therapy. Here's your secret weapon against the chaos. Laugh. Seriously. Find the ridiculous in the stressful. Did your coffee spill? Laugh at the cosmic joke. Stuck in traffic? Crank terrible music and sing loudly. Life is too absurdly short to take every single bump deadly seriously. Humor is your brain's pressure release valve. Use it. And while you're at it, appreciate the scraps. Gratitude isn't just for big wins. It's for the tiny, everyday miracles. The warm sun on your face, the first sip of coffee, your comfy socks. Finding tiny sparks of good rewires your brain to look for more good. It starves the overthinking monster. Try naming 3 tiny scraps of good right now. Go on, I'll wait. See? Instant mood boost. Feeling overwhelmed? Breathe, like really breathe. Not those shallow little panic breaths. I mean, stand up tall, if you can. Fill your lungs deep from your belly. Hold it for a second and let it out slow. Do that 3 times. You are not drowning. That feeling, it's just a wave. Breathe deep and you rise above it. Simple biology, powerful results. Time for a purge. Simplify. Your mind is cluttered? Start with your space. Look around. Do you really need 27 half-used notebooks? That gadget you haven't touched in years? Burn the useless junk, mentally and physically. Clear your physical space and watch your mental space clear up too. Less stuff equals less mental noise. Take control by letting go of the clutter. Get outside, seriously. Fresh air beats therapy pills every time. Walk around the block. Sit under a tree. Notice actual clouds, not just notifications. Nature doesn't care about your to-do list or your awkward moments. It just is. Being part of that bigger, calmer rhythm is instant perspective. It's free medicine. Take your dose daily. Finally, prepare ahead, quietly. This is the ultimate anti-overthinking hack. Spend 5 quiet minutes tonight planning tomorrow. Just 5 minutes. Write down the one most important thing. Lay out your clothes, prep your coffee mug. This tiny act silences the 3 a.m. panic chorus of, what do I do first? Future you will thank past you immensely. It buys you hours of calm. So there it is, your brain jailbreak kit. Presence, letting go, slowing down, laughter, gratitude, breathing, simplifying, nature, prepping. You don't need to do it all at once. Pick one, just one tiny step today. Break the cycle, reclaim your calm, your focus, your life from the overthinking monster. It's your mind, you've got this. Now go breathe deep, laugh at something silly, and enjoy being right here, right now. And hey, if this helped you untangle even one knot in your brain, hit subscribe. We'll keep figuring this wild, wonderful, sometimes overwhelming life thing out together, one simple step at a time. See you next time.